Do you want to feel as relaxed as I am? Well, here's your chance. You want an exclusive property in the southern coast of Kokkola. Come, let's take a look.
Welcome, folk of 73 Avenue. Now, our Teardrop Island is packed with a lot of a medley of beautiful resorts and beach villas. But today we have a very exclusive listing. This is a 5-acre gated community with 20 tastefully designed villas for the Sri Lankans or anyone around the world who desire the finer things in life. And today we are going to show you exactly what this place holds, because in just a few weeks this place is ready for you to purchase and start experiencing life in the coastal belt of Ahangama. Come with us. So come take a walk with me. Let's experience this beautiful property. Like I said, it has 5 acres. You can see how green and luscious it is. It's just like a carpet of green. A paradise where you can just relax and completely be in harmony with yourself. Now look at these villas. Like I said, it's very tasteful. It's done with clay. Each villa is about 15 to 18 perch of land which you will own. You have your own sort of private terrace within the villa. We will take you through the interiors in just a bit and show you how exciting it is to actually own a property. But I just want you to breathe and enjoy this view. So we're going to show you the interiors also in just a bit. That's something that's very exciting as well, because that's exactly what you're going to own. But just take in this nature, the beauty all around you. It's completely green. You have this wonderful sort of canal that sort of surrounds one aspect of the property, and you have these little bridges that you can cross to that area. You have a couple of villas spread perfectly around this entire green terrace. There is a beautiful, Olympic size pool right over there. Another good thing about this property is that it's not right by the beach. I mean, I can hear the beach just there, but that protects your home from problems like corrosion, so that's a good thing. This place is completely family friendly, pet friendly if you want your pets to just run about, and most importantly, it's kid friendly. Your children can come out here, play with all the other families in this gated community. It's a open concept gated community. That is one of the beauties of this sort of property. And let's just take a walk right over that corner so you get to see exactly this entire area, what it holds, and probably what you will own in just a couple of weeks. So right now we're experiencing the scorching heat of the southern sun right on my skin. I just feel like I can just want to jump into the pool and take a dip. It's super tempting, but let's show you guys a bit more of this property. So let's talk about why a gated community makes so much sense when it comes to an investment. Now, a gated community is basically a safe, reliable option when it comes to bringing your family and friends. It's completely protected by a boundary wall, so there is privacy, there is seclusion. Another thing about a gated community by the beach is that all the furniture and fittings is basically beach friendly, so you have a protection on that angle as well. Very importantly, when it comes to a space like this, a property like this, outdoor space is very important. And as you can see, a 5-acre plot means you have ample space for recreation and relaxation, and that's a very key point when it comes to investment, because who doesn't want to be surrounded by green, surrounded by nature? That just makes a holiday even more special. These bridges are a very exciting feature. It sort of creates a link between certain areas in this plot of land. If you look at this side, just see the spacing between the villas. Each villa has, it's not so far apart, but not too close either. It gives a perfect balance of privacy, but also open space, so that the communities within the spaces can enjoy their privacy, but also come out and have fellowship with fellow guests or fellow families across the neighboring villas. Now that you saw the villas that are perfectly placed, the main aspect of this sort of a property is its wellness, which is its core feature. So there is a spa which is located on that end. They're going to walk and show you that place in just a bit. But there's also a yoga shale. That means whoever invests in a property like this definitely is investing in not just the land and the property, but is investing in yourself, your health and your wellness. Now that you saw a part of the exterior, there is so much more that this property has to offer you. But right now, we are going to show you the place that you're going to live in.
Hi! How was that exterior? Look at this place. Now I'm going to show you the interior of this villa. But before we go in, I need you to do me a big favor. Hit that like, subscribe, just smash it. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's go in. So now what you see is what you get. All these villas come fully furnished. The fit out are custom furniture from Rooks. So now let me take you through this villa. As you enter, you have a 6-seater dining. You have an open laid out kitchen and a pantry. Now look at this. You have all this space, like it's such an open layout. All villas are 1,800 square feet, ranges from about 15 to 18 per plot. Now look at this space. You have, I love the way you have these the light fittings are so tasteful. It's very earthly. Look at these, look at the blend of color. So here are a bit more finer details about this villa. So each of these villas come with an open laid out pantry and kitchen. Just look at this. So it's fully equipped. It has a fridge. It has a hob and a microwave over there. It has a 6-seater dining. You have this nicely laid out bar stools here, and you have this living space here. So all these villas have 2 ensuite bedrooms. Here we have the master bedroom and we have a twin bedroom here. Now both bedrooms open out to the terrace. So let's go check this terrace out. I like the fact that everything is open to the back garden. We have Sasanka here. Sasanka already feels like home and is busy with his work. So now this is the garden of this villa. So each villa ranges from about 15 to 18 perches. And now let's go check the master bedroom out. We have teak French windows here that open out straight to the terrace. Now this is your master bedroom. Now everything you see within the property is what you're going to get. Look at this. You have fully furnished. You have this nice decorative timber partition here. So here you have your walk-in closet. Everything is provided within these villas. So all you got to do is just move in here because everything is there. So another feature about the master bedroom is the master bed. So what you see here is a custom designed bed head which is made out of coconut shells. So this is a very custom made detail which is there only in these villas. Here is your master washroom. Just look at this. I just love the color combination here, the greys, the whites with a touch of timber. And you have this open area here, so you have that flow of natural light. So very nice. Now that you saw the master bedroom, let's walk into the twin bedroom. So a few things what I love about these villas are the choice of paintings to the picture frames. They all represent something small of Sri Lanka and shows our culture, our heritage. So let's go. So as you come here, you have the other twin bedroom. So take a look. You got 2 beds laid out. You have the wardrobe there, and then you have a dressing. You have a sitting table, study table here, and then you have your attached washroom here as well. Now all that you saw is what these villas have to offer. So now let's go check out the other common areas which Arshad said he's going to show you until I enjoy my Tambili. Now, what you get here is a special thing. So over there, you have a spa which is coming up. You have another Zen area here for you to do your yoga, your meditation, and if you have a nice like a waterfall here, so you have that natural feel of the water flowing. and then you have a restaurant coming up here with a fully fledged kitchen. And Arshad, what do you think?
I think it's a great property. I think what makes this investment even more special is that you get all this ample space to live and also to relax. But I think about this property is just a few meters from the Koggala beach, and the Koggala beach is a very famous surfing spot. It's also just a couple of kilometers away from the heritage city Galle, which means you can just drive by to Galle, Unawatuna, on the other side you get Mirissa.
Yeah.
So it's centrally placed across all these wonderful coastal cities. So let's just head over there and see a little bit of the finer features on that end. So this property will be run like a hotel. You also get laundromat, so your laundry is taken care of. There is also a special concierge service for all their guests and also the people living here.
So the restaurant will be here, and you have an open bar here. So this will be your entertainment area where you can come and spend time with your friends, family, and also your neighbors who will be around here. So there you see the waterfall there, and it gives that real natural feel to this entire place. Now, if you are enjoying this property tour and want to know how you can get your hands on one of these 20 exclusive villas here in this gated community in Koggala, do check the description below. All the details are there on how you can make it yours.
And guys, if you do like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.
We are 73 Avenue Realtors, and we bring you exclusive villas from across the country. See you in our next video.